Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan. Today's topic is classification. Today's topic is classification of diuretics. We'll see the structures and its uses one by one. Carbonic anhydrase inhibitors is the first class of diuretics which will be used in the treatment of various cardiovascular diseases. Examples are acetazolamide, methazolamide and dichlorphenamide. Thiazide and thiazide-like diuretics, high ceiling or loop diuretics, potassium sparing diuretics, osmotic diuretics. All the structures of individual drugs we'll see now. The first drug under carbonic anhydrase inhibitors is acetazolamide. Here the basic nucleus present in acetazolamide is thiadiazole. What is thiadiazole? 5-membered ring containing 1 sulfur and 2 nitrogens is called thiadiazole. Sulfur is present at first position, 2 nitrogens are present at third and fourth position. Here aceta indicates acetamide is present at 5th position of thiadiazole. Zole indicates this is a thiadiazole. Amide indicates a sulfonamide group is present at 2nd position. This is structure of acetazolamide, and clues for you to remember is aceta, zole and amide. Next structure is methazolamide. There is a similarity between acetazolamide and methazolamide. The only difference we have to remember is methyl group is present at fourth position. Methyl group is present at 4th position of this drug. Uses are it is used to treat edema in congestive heart failure and also in the treatment of epilepsy. It is used to treat glaucoma. Methazolamide is less active and having longer duration of action when compared to acetazolamide. Next structure under carbonic anhydrase inhibitors is dichlorphenamide. Dichlor indicates 2 chloro groups are there. Phen indicates phenyl group is present. Amide indicates 2 sulfonamide groups are present at 3rd position and 6th position. To treat inherited condition of muscle weakness or loss of muscle movement, if the person is suffering with primary paralysis, then we can use this drug dichlorphenamide. Thiazide and thiazide-like diuretics examples are chlorothiazide. Here the basic nucleus we have to remember is it is a 6-membered ring containing sulfone and 2 nitrogens at 2nd and 4th position, and it is a 6-membered ring. This thiazide group is linked at fused with benzene, that is benzothiazide, and chlorine group is present at this position. Chlorine group is present at 6th position. At 7th position contains sulfonamide group. Uses are it is a diuretic, it is an antihypertensive, and it is used to treat congestive cardiac failure. Next structure is hydrochlorothiazide. There is a similarity between chlorothiazide and hydrochlorothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide contains hydro group at 4th position, nitrogen, and the double bond is not there in hydrochlorothiazide. Remaining everything is same like chlorothiazide. Uses are to treat edema, fluid retention. What is edema? Edema is nothing but fluid retention or excessive fluid is present in various tissues that can be treated by hydrochlorothiazide. To treat edema because of heart and kidney problems, we can use this hydrochlorothiazide. Hydroflumethiazide. Hydroflumethiazide is having the similarity with hydrochlorothiazide. The difference is in place of chlorine there is a trifluoromethyl group is present. That's why flumi indicates trifluoromethyl group is present in place of chlorine. It is used to treat hypertension and edema. High blood pressure leads to workload to the heart. So that's why we can treat this hypertension by giving hydroflumethiazide. Next structure is cyclothiazide. Cyclothiazide structure contains cyclohexene ring. Inside the cyclohexene ring there is a methylene bridge present, that is structure of cyclothiazide. It is used to treat edema, it is used to treat hypertension, nephrotic syndrome and heart failure. Loop diuretics is the third class of diuretic drugs. Furo indicates furon group is present. This furon group is attached with methyl amino group. This methyl amino with the furon group is attached to one phenyl ring. This phenyl ring contains a sulfonamido group and chloro group and carboxylic acid group. Sulfonamide group will get the first position, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So fifth position contains carboxylic acid group, second position contains chloro group, fourth position contains the furan side chain. It is used to treat edema associated with renal disease, congestive cardiac failure. Furosemide is also used as a combination drug for the treatment of hypertension or to manage hypertension. Next structure under loop diuretics is bumetanide. Bumetanide structure contains Bu indicates butyl group is present. Butyl amino is the side chain which is attached to the phenyl ring. Here phenoxy group is attached to the phenyl ring. Sulfonamide group is attached at first position. Second position contains phenoxy group. Third position contains butyl amino group. And at fifth position there is a carboxylic acid. Bumetanide is used to treat edema for various medical problems. Next structure is ethacrynic acid. Ethacrynic acid is also a loop diuretic. It contains eth indicates ethyl group is present, acry indicates acrylic group is present. CH double bond CH2 is called acrylic group. CH3 CH2 is called ethyl group. So together these two groups are attached, that's why the clue is ethacrynic acid. So here acid indicates acetic acid is present at this position. This is a dichlorophenyl ring. To this dichlorophenyl ring, acetic acid is present at this position with oxygen bridge, and here this side ethyl group and acrylic group both are linked to the dichlorophenyl ring with carbonyl group. Uses are it is a diuretic to decrease edema in cancer, congestive heart failure, liver disease and kidney disease. Spironolactone is the drug which comes under the category of potassium sparing diuretics. The spironolactone drug contains steroid nucleus and a lactone ring here. It is used to treat heart failure. It is also a aldosterone antagonist. So that's why we can use this spironolactone to treat hyperaldosteronism and to treat hypertension. Triamterene is another interesting structure and interesting drug which is used in the treatment of diuretic, comes under potassium sparing diuretic. Here two heterocyclic compounds we have to remember. The two heterocyclic compounds are, one is 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens at first and third position, that is pyrimidine. 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens at first and fourth position is called pyrazine. These two are fused together and 3 amino groups are present at second position, fourth position and at seventh position. That's why here the clue for you is triam indicates 3 amino groups. At what positions 3 amino groups are present? Second, fourth and 7th. Here at 6th position there is a phenyl ring to treat hypertension, and it also reduces edema in the body which is caused by heart failure and also kidney disease. Next structure is amyloride. Amyloride is the structure which contains pyrazine as the basic nucleus. Pyrazine contains 1 chloro group at third position, 2 amino groups at second and 6th position. Here at 5th position there is a carbonyl group. Carbonyl group is attached with guanyl group. What is guanyl? Single carbon is attached to 3 amino groups, then that structure we'll call it as guanyl group. That is entire structure of amyloride. Uses are, it is used to treat hypertension. Amyloride will prevent hypokalemia if the patient is having decreased amount of the potassium ions in his body. Then we can give amyloride to spare the potassium ions or to absorb back the potassium ions in the body. This drug will also increase natriuretic response. The excretion of the sodium through the urine can be increased by this drug. The last structure under osmotic diuretics is mannitol. Mannitol is a 6-carbon chain and it contains, the structure is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2, CHOH, CHOH, CHOH and CH2OH. So all the 6 carbons contains hydroxyl groups. Uses are to treat acute renal failure, reduction of intraocular pressure. Mannitol also stimulates diuresis. Mechanism of action of individual drugs we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you all.